and welcome back to Coach Green's YouTube channel. Today, bringing you bronze workout number 22. Before we start, make sure you hit that like button below, as well as subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. We will be starting off with a 2.5 minute warm up, followed by some stretches, and then we're going to add into our normal exercises, followed by a cool down. Right, so make sure you got yourself a water bottle and a towel. It's quite hot today. Also, you need your garden chair for our Seed Kids squats. So we're going to start off 2.5 minutes warm up. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, nice little toe taps for me. Also, radio is optional. I like to work out with some music. Ooh. Hope you enjoyed last Friday's gold workout. We're going to try and get another one done for this Friday coming. Let me know, bronzes, if you did give it a go. Whew. Right, we're going to go 15 seconds of star jumps, followed by 15 seconds of punch outs. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 15. Right, 15 straights. 1, 2, 3. Let's get on envy me. Well done. Right, we're going to get into skipping ropes. Little bunny hops to start with. Woo. Keep going, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Right, we're going to open up the gates now. Up and out, 5 on each. Actually, no, keep going for 30 seconds even. Keep going. Oh. And up and out. Right, now we're going to bring our knees up. So right up first, back and left. Let's do it. Come on, bronzes, let's go. Perfect, right, quickly wipe yourself down. I'm going to get our stretches in. Woo! Going to be a good workout. Right, coming in. Nice wide starts. But today's going to be a good silver workout. Right, swap sides. Perfect, right, one leg forward, one leg back. Cool. Another leg. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Right, bring your left foot up, bring your knees together, hold it, really stretching our quad muscles here. Swap over. Perfect. So now we're going to hip roll all the way around. Tuesday. And then swap. Right, we're going to go for our lie back now. Open our legs up, forward, middle, back, 5 reps. 3, 2, 1, go. 3 and stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. One more, 2, 3, stretch. Well done. I'll shake your legs out. That's our lower body done. Now we're working on our upper body. So, gonna get your hands out. We're gonna make nice little small tennis balls. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Nice big circles. And then go backwards. Smaller circles. Well done. Right, hands nice and wide. We'll work on our pectoral muscles here. Bring them in. Squeeze. Back out. Squeeze. Back out. Squeeze. Back out. Squeeze. Out. Squeeze. Right, shake it all out. That's the end of our stretches. Get yourself a drink. We're going to start our exercises. Woo. Right, exercise layout for today. 10 push-ups, 10 crunch rolls, 10 knee to elbow, 10 bunny hops, 10 seated squats, 10 star jumps, 15 straights, 15 hooks, and we'll do 20 leg kick-outs to finish, sorry. Right, coming in. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Onto your back. Hands onto your quads. And you roll up 10 times. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Get yourselves up, catch your breath. So 10 knees to elbows now. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's good, man. Right, 10 bunny hops. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Right, get yourself a garden chair. 10 seated squats. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more, keep going, bronze. 7, 8, 9, 10, well done. Right, 10 star jumps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Right, 15 straights. 3, 2, 1. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15 hooks. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Right, onto our backs. 20 leg kick-outs. 3, 2, 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Oh, well done, bronze. That's set one done. Get yourself a towel. Take some fluids on board. Well, I'll give you 35 seconds. Catch your breath. Stretch yourself out if you need to. Ooh. Oh. Right, 15 more seconds and we're back in for set 2. Finishing this bronze workout with a bang. We got this. Come on, guys. Come on. Come. Come on, Dan. No, you're interrupting, Simba. What are you doing? What are you doing? I've got to do a workout. Right. Simba, fair play. She wants to join in. Look at her, bless her. Right, 10 push-ups. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On your back. 10 crunch rolls. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Get yourselves up. 10 knees to elbows. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, nearly. Right, next set we've got our 10 bunny hops. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Woo. We'll burn that one for the old quads. Right, 10 seated squats. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Great effort, guys. Woo. 10 star jumps. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Finish strong. Come on. 15 straights. 3, 2, 1. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15 hooks. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Right, leg kickouts. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Oh. Ah, come on! Well done. Bronze workout nearly complete. Just our cool down to go, but the hardest bit's out of the way. Wipe yourself down if you need to. Little toe touch for the cool down. Try your breathing again. Woo. Right, hands go up in the air. And down, up, down. And down, up, up. Right, and just go across yourselves. Right, standing still. Right, nice little small circles. Bigger, all the way around. Then go back. Bigger. Ooh. Right, stretch out. Just come up to 15 minutes of the workout. Well done, bronzes. Consistent as always, great work. Well done. Right, and try and reach forward and touch the floor. And then come back up again. Go down. And back up again. And then come down. And back up. One more. And then, there we go. Right, that's it for today. Simba the dog and Coach Green signing out. Remember to stay fit, stay green, and always stay safe. I will see you when I see you.